Hello, kids and men. Today I'm making a video. I'm kittens now.
Telling you they want to eat.
Hello, Scott. Well, this is my red kitten, Scott. We have the auntie, Lizzie, and Sarah. And then Georgie is lying over there. She wasn't really born that good. Wait. Yeah, your food has come now. Okay, now I'm going to a kind of beast. Gigantic cat. She's supposed to walk somewhere here. She's a beast. Seriously, she's gigantic. Smokes! Smokey! Okay, let's go on a cat hunt. There she is. Well, you can't really see her that well. But now, I'll get her on camera. She's fast. She is gigantic if you're right close. Gigantic, you hear me? We found her. Spider web. We found her coming into our garden for food. There she is. A monster. Smokey. Stay there. Up. Yan up. La la la. Up. No. Bad. Never. Shut up, for God's sake. Well, she can be a little bit angry. And it's a woman. Before I had a little kitten, but she escaped. So I never saw her again. But she was already grown up, so now she actually comes back. And that's here, of course. Well, now, see you later, bunnies.